Writing formulas in Looker Studio allows you to create calculated fields for more advanced data analysis. Here's how to do it. Open your report. Log in. Go to datastudio.google.com and sign in. Select or create a report. Open an existing report or start a new one. Access data source. Edit data source. Click on resource in the top menu. Select Manage Edit Data Sources. Click Edit next to the data source you want to modify. Add the field. Create new field. Click Add a field in the data source editor. Enter formula. Field name. Provide the name for your new field. Formula. Write the formula for your calculated field. Use built-in functions and operators. For example, to calculate total sales, you might use the following. Or to create a calculated metric. Field type. Choose the appropriate type. Save field. Click Save to add the field to your data source. Use the new field. Update report. In your report, the new field will be available for use in charts, tables, and other visualizations.